Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Monday.com Board Templates. This tutorial will walk you through the process of creating and utilizing board templates to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. First, let's start with the basics. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows teams to manage projects and workflows in a customizable and visual way. A board template is a pre-designed layout that can be used to create a new board, saving time and effort. To access board templates, log into your Monday.com account and click on the templates icon. Here, you can browse through a wide range of pre-built templates, categorized by industry, use case, and functionality. You can also search for specific templates using the search bar. Once you find a template that suits your needs, click on it to preview the template. The preview page will show you the board's layout, including columns, groups, and items. If you like what you see, click the Use Template button to create a new board based on the template. When creating a new board from a template, you can customize it to fit your specific needs. This includes renaming the board, adding or removing columns and groups, and populating the board with your own data. You can also add new items, such as tasks, projects, or team members, to the board. One of the key benefits of using board templates is that they provide a starting point for your workflow. This means you can hit the ground running without having to spend time designing a board from scratch. Board templates can also help ensure consistency across your organization, as multiple teams can use the same template to manage similar workflows. Best practices for using board templates include starting with a simple template and customizing it as needed, using clear and concise naming conventions, and establishing a consistent workflow. It's also important to regularly review and update your board to ensure it remains relevant and effective. In addition to using pre-built templates, you can also create your own custom templates. This is useful if you have a unique workflow or use case that isn't covered by the pre-built templates. To create a custom template, simply design a board that meets your needs, and then save it as a template. This template can then be used to create new boards, or shared with other teams and organizations. In conclusion, Monday.com board templates provide a powerful way to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create and utilize board templates to manage your projects and workflows in a customizable and visual way. Remember to keep your boards simple, consistent, and up to date, and don't be afraid to experiment with different templates and workflows until you find one that works for you.